Are on the record. Good morning. As chairperson of the Alcoholic Beverage and Cannabis Board for the District of Columbia, and in accordance with DC Code Section 2-571 et seq. Of the Open Meetings Act, OMA, I'm welcoming you to the regular scheduled meeting of the Alcoholic Beverage and Cannabis Board. This meeting is being conducted pursuant to guidance made available by the District of Columbia's Office of Open Government regarding electronic meetings held by public bodies. Electronic meetings by the ABC Board are authorized pursuant to Section 2-577A of the DC Code. Pursuant to the OMA requirements, notice of today's meeting was provided 48 hours in advance of the meeting on ABCA's website and on the District Central meeting calendar. The notice includes the time, date, agenda, and a call-in or login information for public participation. This electronic meeting is being hosted by a WebEx account provided by the District of Columbia government. Please address any questions or complaints to the OOG at opengov@dc.gov. My name is Donovan Anderson. I'm chairperson of the board. I would like to introduce the other members of the ABC board who are also participating electronically. Please respond when I announce your names. Mr. Silas Grant,
Mr. Silas Grant, present.
Ms. Terry Janine Quinn,
Ms. Terry Janine Quinn, present.
Mr. David Meadows,
Good morning, Mr. David Meadows, present.
Mr. Ryan Jones.
Mr. Ryan Jones, present.
The board has 5 members in attendance for the conduct of business today, and that constitutes a quorum. Before we get underway with today's hearing calendar, I need to make a few instructions very clear so that the conduct of these hearings is understood by everyone. There are 9 cases scheduled for today's calendar. Once your case is called, I will take a moment for IT specialists to elevate the rights for each party to enable their camera and microphone. Then and only then will you have the ability to enable your equipment. If your case has not been heard, you will remain mute and your camera will be disabled. At the conclusion of each case, the parties will have the option to leave. If the party chooses to stay, all cameras and microphones for the concluded case will be disabled. Should you have any questions or require technical assistance during the hearing, please submit them using the question and answer feature. I would like to apologize to the public for our tardiness this morning. Our executive meeting ran much longer than I'd anticipated, so I do apologize for our tardiness this morning. All right, our first agenda item, it's on our calendar, it's case number 25 CIT 00504, Select Reserves, license number 113485. This hearing is canceled due to the submission of an offer in compromise for the board's review and consideration. The next case in our calendar is case number 25 CIT 00505, Select Reserves, license number 113485. This case is also canceled due to the submission of an offer in compromise for the board's consideration and approval. The next case in our calendar is case number 25 CMP 00056 AI Pop LLC, license number 1297775. This case is also being canceled due to the submission of an offer in compromise to the board for its review and consideration. The next case in our calendar is case number 25 CMP 00034, Proper 21, license number 113983. This case is canceled. The parties entered into an offer in compromise on October 1st, 2025. See board order number 2020-2025-922. The next case in our calendar is case number 25 CMP 00059, the Jerk Pit, license number 129491. Mr. Oriana, can you please elevate the rights of the parties in this case?
Morning, sure. Sophia Matus, your access has been elevated, and that appears to be all term.
Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Maida. Miss, can you please identify yourself for the record by spelling and state your name?
Good morning, Assistant Attorney General Sophia Mietus, SOPHIA MIETUS.
Good morning. I see that the licensee is here, but is not here. However, for show cause hearing status, licensee there's no requirement for the licensee to be here. This matter then it's scheduled for a show cause hearing on November 19th at 1:30 p.m. I want to advise the parties for the record that if 7 days prior to the hearing, the parties are required to file documents and witnesses they will rely upon at the hearing. Failure by either side to provide documents and witnesses 7 days in advance to the other side and to the agency, the board is empowered to prevent that side from relying on documents and or witnesses that have not been disclosed timely. Thank you, ma'am. All right, the next case in our calendar is case number 25 CMP 00043, Soundbar, license number 122864. Mr. Oriana, can you please elevate the government and the licensee in this case?
Good thing. Marky Woldemarian, access elevated. Christopher Southcott, access elevated. And lead investigator Felicia Dancer, access elevated. That is all term.
Good morning.
Good
morning.
Good morning. Do you have a camera, ma'am, you can activate?
Okay. Now works?
No, I still can't see you, ma'am.
If you click start video.
Okay.
Okay, fine. I can see you.
Fine.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, good morning. All right,
Good
good morning,
morning.
everyone. Let me have the parties identify themselves for the record, starting with the government.
Good morning, members of the board. My name is Chris Southcott. First name CHRES, last name SOUTHCOTT from DC's Office of the Attorney General, representing the district.
Good morning, sir. Ms. Woldemarian, can you please spell and state your name for the record and your relationship to this case, ma'am?
Good morning. My name is Marky Waldemaria. I'm the owner Soundbar DC.
Spell your name, please, ma'am. We have a court reporter. So.
Yes, MARKIWOLDEMARI. Sorry.
I'm sorry. Remember, ma'am, the reason why I asked you to spell your name for the record is that we have a court reporter and we're going to have a transcript. So
Yes.
just to make sure that they spell your name correctly.
Again?
That's why I asked
Okay.
people. That's why I asked folks to do that, ma'am.
Don't worry about it. I was a little nervous. So, MARKI, that's my first name. Last name Woldemaria, WOLDEMARIAM.
Good morning, ma'am. All right. Ms. Walda Mariam. All right, Mr. Southcott, are there any preliminary matters in this case?
Nothing from the government.
All right, ma'am. All right, so we have a full show cause hearing, and so therefore the process is that the government will call a witness. They will state what the case is. The government has the burden. So the government will call its witness. They will have direct examination of the witness. You then will have an opportunity to cross-examine that witness. Once the government has rested its case, then you'll have an opportunity to call witnesses. Do you plan to call any witnesses this morning, ma'am?
No.
No? So let me, I guess, I'm not trying to get to the facts of this case. Um, let me see, there are two charges in this case, and the first charge is that offered adult entertainment without approval, and the second charge is failed to maintain books and records for 3 years. You're informed me that you're not calling the witnesses, so are you going to testify on your behalf, or are you contesting the charges, or I'm just trying to
No.
get some. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Go ahead.
So I have evidence, but I don't have it right now.
What do you mean you don't have it right now, ma'am? Because
So
this
yeah.
is the only opportunity you'll have. So what?
Okay.
Yeah.
So you mean like I have to have a like witness right now with me, or like
By the time you present your case today, if you
okay.
have witnesses, those people would have to be available to testify. But also, did you provide the names of the witnesses to the government 7 days prior to the hearing?
I can do that, yes.
No, no, ma'am. I'm saying, did you do that? Because you would have to have done that 7
Yes.
days. So you have done that?
I have not received any
No.
notification about witnesses from the establishment.
Right. So, ma'am, so if you have witnesses, what Mr. Southcott is stating, you have not provided him with notice of that you were planning to call witnesses today.
So yeah. I didn't bring any witness today.
So how do you plan to defend yourself how do you plan to defend yourself, ma'am, if you do not have any witnesses? Are you gonna testify on your behalf? Or I'm just asking, how do you plan
So
to defend these charges?
I was in a medical situation like the past months. So I was not ready to bring the witness. That's the reason.
So why didn't you, if you're under a medical situation, why didn't you talk to the government and ask them to postpone or to continue this hearing?
Yeah, so I don't have a time to do that. Like I just saw the hearing today this morning.
I'm sorry, you just what, ma'am?
So I just checked the email. I have a hearing today, so uh, I was not ready to do that. So
So you did not know, so you did not, we had a status hearing a couple of weeks ago.
yeah, I missed
also,
that too. Yes.
so you did not know that you had this hearing today?
When I check my email, like I was checking my email last night, so uh, I noticed I have a hearing. So I was a very serious situation, like so that's why I was not
I'm
ready.
I'm not trying to get personal, but are you
Yes.
able to, without giving specific details, are you able to just
Yeah,
summarize? Go ahead.
I was a little sick the past months.
Do you have like any medical?
Yes.
Hold on a minute. Um, were you under a doctor's care? So I guess
Yes.
to be fair, I'm trying to find out. So what is it that you want us to do today? You're saying that you don't have witnesses because you're not well. So are you asking to continue this hearing? Are you want what is
Yeah,
it
I
that
just
are you
want to hear what is
you
the
want
decision today. So
so you want us to move forward with the hearing today, although you don't have any witnesses?
yeah, I don't have any witness. I just want to hear what is the decision today.
But are you contesting the charges that were brought against your establishment, ma'am? Are you saying that is it that the first charge was offered adult entertainment without approval, and the second charge was failed to maintain books and records for 3 years? So are you contesting that?
Oh, no. So the dancer, we have a dancer.
No, hold on a minute, please. So, all right. So I'm not trying. I don't want you to get into the facts at this juncture. So, is it that you're saying that if you're not contesting the facts and then you just want to say yes, what they said it's true, but I have an explanation, and so therefore, when it comes to penalty, then this is what the board should do because I have an explanation. I'm just trying to get some
Yeah, I just wanna come here to explain it was not true. It was not nudity. It was a dancer with their clothes on. I
all
just wanna
right,
tell you that.
all right, but let me ask you a question. Do you want us to like take a break so you and the government can have a conversation to see if you can come to an agreement? Or do you want to do this here? And what do you want? Because I'm not sure. I mean, I'm prepared to move forward today, but I'm not sure if you understand um the consequences of having this hearing today. And so do you want to have an opportunity to speak to the government to see if you can
Yes,
come to an agreement?
yes.
So, all right, so let us our we let me see. Hold on, let me see look at my calendar. All right. Um this is actually the other case that we have this morning is canceled. So hold on a minute. So like the next case before I'm gonna just take a break. I'm gonna put a pin in this case. The next case that we have, case number 25 ULC 00058, which is Shiva Tobacco license unlicensed cannabis retailer. This case is canceled. All right. This is the last case that we have for the morning. Um the board I'll ask the board to get into executive session. You can stay on no, this has been recorded. So, can Mr. Southgate, do you have her information to speak to her?
I have an email address which I sent several
Uh,
emails to and didn't receive responses on.
Ma'am,
Um,
can you put your phone
Yes.
number in the chat?
yes,
And
Sure.
you and
And
the
the
government.
email? Mm,
I just
Uh,
put my phone number in the chat.
his phone number is in the chat, ma'am. So you can take this phone number.
sure.
The board, we're gonna why don't you and the government have a conversation? And there's her phone number also, Mr. Saska.
Great.
Why don't you two have a conversation? The board is going to go back into executive session and let us know, let our general counsel know what is it that the parties want to do. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll ask all the board members to let's return to executive session and until they let us know what they want to do with this case moving forward. Okay, so we're in it. The board will return to executive session until we have been instructed by the parties what the next steps are. Okay, so please, board members, return to executive session. Thank you.
members of the board, the parties have discussed, and I believe that we have an idea of how we would like to proceed today.
Ms. Waldemarian, your video is a little, okay, perfect. Thank you.
I'm waiting for the
Yeah.
our fifth board member to join us. All right. So, Mr. Southcott, what is it? What are we gonna do?
So the parties discussed, and Ms. Waldemariam would like to take some time to consider the offer that was presented. She previously had not seen the offer in the emails that I had reached out on, and so we are requesting a brief continuance. Ms. Waldemariam believes that she can get an answer within the next day or so, but in light of the board, we are requesting the board's calendar. We're requesting a continuance to next week, so the 29th.
All right. Okay, fine. With Miss Waldemar, is that your is that your understanding of the conversation?
Yes.
Then I make a motion that a continuance be granted in this case for a week. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 5-0, and so therefore we will this case will be continued for 1 week, and so you'll be scheduled for next week, which is the 29th at 10:30. All right, thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a great day. All right,
Bye-bye.
thanks. All right, so I've called a summary action matter, and so let me move to our afternoon calendar. The next case, this is on our 1:30 calendar, is case number 25 CMP 00044. Tipsy Lounge and Restaurant, license number 11141. This hearing has been rescheduled to November 19th at 10:30 a.m. And the next case in our calendar is case number 25 PRO 00037, Velvet's, license number 130768. This hearing is canceled due to the submission of a settlement agreement for the board's review and approval. And that is our calendar for the day. I will now move to our agendas for the day. In the first agenda that we will do today, it's the legal agenda alcohol. The first matter on our legal agenda, alcohol, it's a review of a settlement agreement dated October 14th, 2025 by and between Advisory Navy Commission 1A and the Wonderland Ballroom, license number 071202. I make a motion that we approve this agreement. Is there a second?
Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter pass 5-0. The next case on the calendar, it's a offering compromise in case number 25 CIT 00504 and case number 25 CIT 00505. The license numbers are 113485. Let me find the offering compromise. I'm sorry, hold on. This is a global settlement in those two cases. So the OIC are as follows. For case number 25 CIT 00504, charge, the first charge, no ABC manager, statutory authority, DC Code Section 25-701, a warning will be issued. For case number 25 CIT 00505, the charge is no ABC manager. The statutory authority is DC Code Section 25-701. There is a fine payable within 30 days or the license shall be suspended indefinitely until the fine has been paid. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 3, review of motion for reconsideration and summary revocation dated September 23rd, 2025. This is El Canale. This is in case number 25 PRO 00062, and the license number is 083707. I make a motion that we deny this motion. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones, I second the motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 4, review of motion to dismiss protest dated September 25th, 2024. This is in case number 25 PRO 00078. This is Slice and Brewed Restaurant, license number 115871. I make a motion that we deny this request. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 5, review of motion for reconsideration. This is a group of 5 or more individuals dated October 5th, 2025. This is in case number 25 PRO 00084. Los Angels, license number 131487. I make a motion that we deny this motion. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 6, review of supplemental motion for reconsideration, group of 5 or more individuals. This is in case number 25 PRO 00084, Celos Angels, license number 131487. This is an FYI for the board. Number 7, review of opposition to second motion for reconsideration. This is in case number 25 PRO 00084, Celos Angel, license number 131487. Again, this is an FYI for the board. Number 8, review of motion to amend board order number 2021-482 dated October 8th, 2025. This is in Signature Lounge, license number 117485. This is also an FYI to the board. The licensee, however, is advised to file an amendment for substantial change requesting the removal or modification of the order and requesting an appropriate change to the terms of the license. Number 9, review of respondents' request for subpoena. This is for dirty water in case number 25 CMP 00010 and case number 25 CMP 00010A and license number 125771. I make a motion that we approve the request in part and deny in part. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 10, review of respondents' reply to District of Columbia's response to motion to respondents' request for subpoena. This is in case number 25 CMP 00010 and case number 25 CMP 00010A. The license number is 125771. This is an FYI for the board. Number 11, review of the District of Columbia's response to respondents' request for subpoena dated September 25th, 2025. This is again in case number 25 CMP 00010 and case number 25 CMP 00010A. License number 125771. This is also an FYI for the board. Number 12, review of precipice for dismissal. This is in case number 25 CMP 00026. This is Half Smoke, license number 100855. I make a motion that we approve this request. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. We now move to our legal agenda alcohol addendum. Number 1, review of settlement agreement dated October 15th, 2025 by and between Advisory Neighborhood Commission 6B and the Awakening Bar and Grill, license number 133651. I make a motion that we approve this agreement. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 2, review of an offer in compromise. This is for case number 25 CMP 00056. AI Pop LLC, license number 129775. The offer in compromise is as follows. Charge 1, increase occupancy without first without approval, statutory authority, DC Code Section 25-762A and B1, there is a $1,000 fine paid within 30 days, or the license shall be suspended indefinitely until the fine has been paid. I therefore make a motion that the offer and compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant. Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter pass 5-0. We now move to our legal agenda, medical cannabis. The first matter on our legal agenda, medical cannabis, this is for case number 25 ULC 00055, Good Smoke. This is unlicensed establishment. The offer and compromise is as follows. Number one, respondent agrees to temporarily vacate the premises and agrees that the premises will remain padlocked pending an issuance of its medical cannabis retail license application. Number two, if respondent is approved for a medical cannabis retail license, unlimited access to the premises may be granted in ABCA's discretion to contractors to prepare the establishment for issuance of the license. Number three, upon approval of this OIC, respondent may coordinate a mutual time and date with ABCA to retrieve any personal property from the establishment. Number four, respondent affirms that it has ceased all unlicensed cannabis sales on the premises and online. Number five, respondent agrees to not sell cannabis and cannabis products at the premises, online, or at any other location in the District of Columbia without a medical cannabis retail license. Number six, if respondent is denied a medical cannabis retail license, a summary closure shall remain in effect. Number seven, respondent agrees to pay a $10,000 fine within 60 days of either one, the issuance of a medical retail license, or two, the approval of this OIC by the board, whichever happens first in time will control. Number eight, if respondent is approved for medical cannabis retail license, the retail license shall be summarily suspended by the board in the event that the fine is not paid within 60 days of the controlling event referenced in paragraph 7. I therefore make a motion that the offer and compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter pass 5-0. Number 3, review of an offer and compromise. This is for case number 25 ULC 00062. It's Seba Smoke Shop, aka 70 Smoke Shop. The offer and compromise is as follows. Number 1, respondent agrees to not sell cannabis and cannabis products, including all cannabinoids, hemp, CBD, tetrahydrocannabolic acid, THC-A, and THC kratom, and any Schedule 1 substance, including psychedelic mushrooms, at the premises, online, or at any other location in the District of Columbia without a medical cannabis retail license. Number 2, respondent affirms that it has permanently vacated and terminated its lease of the premises as evidenced by Exhibit 3. Exhibit A. Number 3, respondent agrees that if it violates of DC Code Section 7-167.08F at any time in the future, it shall be a subsequent violation under DC Code Section 7-1671.08F F2, and grounds for the board to issue a fine in the amount of $20,000 under DC Code Section 7-1671.08 F2A. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. I'm sorry, hold on. All right, so the offer and compromise that was just read was a review of offer and compromise for Sky's the Limit, and that's in case number 25 ULC 00057. So that is the offer and compromise that I just put in the record. So I therefore make a motion that the offer and compromise that was just read for case number 25 ULC 00057 Sky's Limit be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr.
Mr.
Meadows, I
Grant,
second.
Mr. Meadows has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Okay. All right, the next case in our calendar on the agenda, it's a review of an offer in compromise. This is for case number 25 ULC 00062, which is Seba Smoke Shop, aka 70 Smoke Shop. Let me find this one then. And the offer in compromise for this case is as follows. Number one, respondent agrees to not sell cannabis and cannabis products, including all cannabinoids, hemp, CBD, tetrahydrocannabinolic acid, THC-A, and THC, kratom, and any Schedule I substance, including psychedelic mushrooms, at the premises, online, or at any other location in the District of Columbia without a medical cannabis retail license. Number two, respondent affirms that it has permanently vacated and terminated its lease of the premises as evidenced by Exhibit A. Number three, respondent agrees that if it violates of DC Code Section 7-1671.08F at any time in the future, it shall be a subsequent violation under DC Code Section 7-1671.08 F2 and grounds for the board to issue a fine in the amount of $20,000 under DC Code Section 7-1671.08 F2A. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. All right, let me see. So the next case is review of offer and compromise. It's the landlord. This is for case number 25 ULC 00062, and it's Sheba Smoke Shop, aka 70 Smoke Shop. Let's see. All right. The OIC is as follows. Number one, property owner affirms that it has received affirmative confirmation that FELGE, FELEGE, Kid Kidanemariam, owner of Seba Shop LLC, acknowledges the termination of its lease and intentions to vacate the premises as evidenced by Exhibit A. Number 2, property owner acknowledges that it is responsible for returning any property owned by Seba Shop LLC that remains in the premises and over which Seba Shop LLC has a legal right of return. Number 3, property owner agrees to not lease the premises to Seba Shop LLC or its successor companies or any unlicensed cannabis establishment at any time in the future. Number 4, property owner agrees to notify ABCA when it has leased the premises to a new tenant to provide the identity of the new tenant, including the business name and owner, and permit ABCA to perform an inspection before the new tenant takes possession of the premises and at any time thereafter. Number 5, property owner agrees that if a future tenant at the premises which has not filed an accepted and pending application with the ABC board knowingly engages or attempts to engage in the purchase, sale, exchange, delivery, or any form of commercial transaction, including cannabis, it shall be a subsequent violation of DC Code Section 7-1671.08F and grounds for the board to issue a subsequent notice of summary closure and issue landlord a fine up to $10,000 under DC Code Section 7-1675.01B. Property owner agrees to waive the notice requirements and set forth in DC Code Section 7-1675.01A. Number 6, the current summary closure shall remain in effect until ABCA makes the keys to the premises available to property owner for pickup at its office or at another mutually agreed upon time and location. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. The next case on our calendar on the agenda is review of an offer in compromise landlord. This is for case number 24 ULC 00007. Cannabis Karma. The offer in compromise is as follows. Number 1, landlord affirms that it has terminated its lease with the unlicensed establishment, which has permanently vacated the premises. Number 2, landlord affirms that it evicted the establishment and has received the writ of remand return, affirming that the eviction is finalized and attached hereto as Exhibit A. Number 3, landlord acknowledges that it is responsible for returning any property owned by the unlicensed establishment that remains in the premises over which the unlicensed establishment has a legal right of return. Number 4, landlord agrees to not lease the premises to any unlicensed cannabis distributors at any time in the future. Number 5, landlord agrees to notify ABCA if it leases the premises to a new tenant and to provide all identifying information regarding the next tenant, include the name of the business and owner. Number 6, if landlord violates this agreement, ABCA reserves the right to pursue fines not to exceed $10,000 per violation. Number 7, landlord shall retrieve the keys to the premises from ABCA at a mutually agreeable time, date, and location within 48 hours of the board's approval of this offer in compromise. I therefore make a motion that the offer in compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion.
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 6. I'm sorry, I apologize, Ms. Quinn. Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
And the matter passes 5-0. My apologies, Ms. Quinn.
No worries.
Number 6. Review of a letter from Christopher Michael. This is in BK Management LLC, license number 121364 and 121378. This is an FYI to the board. Number 7, review of emergency rulemaking of the notice of ninth emergency rulemaking. I make a motion that this rulemaking be approved. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 8, review of proposed rulemaking on non-cannabis business activity. I make a motion that this rulemaking be approved. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. So now let's do our alcohol licensing agenda. On the alcohol license agenda, there are 7 licensees. I will review all 7, make some suggested recommendation, and I will make a motion at the end asking the ABC board members to approve the recommendation thus put forth by the chair. Number 1, review application for safekeeping of license. This is for MOMFIT, MOMITMOMJII. The license number is 076962. The recommendation is to approve through March 31st, 2026. Number 2, review application for safekeeping of license. This is Never Look Better. License number 116062. Recommendation approval through March 31st, 2026. Number 3, review application for safekeeping of license. This is Sandlot Southeast formerly. License number 113601. Recommendation approval through March 31st, 2026. Number 4, review application for safekeeping of license. This is for DMV Convenience Store. License number 127876. Recommendation approval through March 31st, 2026. Number 5, review application to extend safekeeping of license. This is for Stadium Club. License number 094244. Recommendation approval through March 31st, 2026. Number 6, review request to extend safekeeping of license. This is Grand Liquors. License number 125406. Recommendation approval through March 31st, 2026. And number 7, review of architectural floor plans for a new Class B full-service grocery store. This is for Streets Market, license number 133863, recommendation approval. Recommendation placard. I therefore make a motion that ABC Board approve the recommendations that's put forth for the alcohol licensing agenda. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I
Grant.
second the motion.
Mr. Jones has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. We now move to our alcohol, our license supplemental agenda. There are 3 licensees on this agenda. I will review all 3, make recommendations, and then I'll make a motion that ABC board members vote to approve the recommendations as put forth by the chair. Number 1, review request for temporary operating retail permit. This is for Eurostars, St. Gregory, Bully, Ellington Park Bistro, license number 134325, recommendation approval. Number 2, review application for safekeeping of license. This is for 3217. The license number is 134257. Recommendation approval through March 31st, 2026. And number 3, review request for approval to provide a gift of a TV and cooler giveaway that does not exceed $500 in value to Calvert Woodley Fine Wines and Spirits, license number 129692, and Morris Wines and Spirits, license number 110406. The request has been made by Breakthrough Beverage, license number 124554. Recommendation approval. I therefore make a motion that ABC board members vote to approve the recommendations as put forth by the chair for the supplemental alcohol license agenda. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows. Mr. Meadows? I can't hear Miss. Go ahead,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter pass 5-0. We now move to our alcohol license second supplemental agenda. And again, on this agenda, there are three licensees on this agenda, and I will read all three, make recommendations, and I'll ask that the ABC board member, I'll make a motion that ABC board members approve the recommendations put forth by the chair. Number 1, review request to remove the license from safekeeping to reopen under new ownership. This is the Harp, formerly Brooklyn's Finest Bar and Kitchen. The old license number was 13394. The new license number is 133946. The old license number was 092010. Recommendation approval. Number 2, review request to remove the license from safekeeping to reopen under new ownership. This is for Rush, formerly Law Society. The new licenses number is 134289. The old license was 083420. Recommendation approval. Number 3, review request to remove the license from safekeeping to reopen under new ownership. This is for Harrington and Rock Fine and Rare, formerly the Imperial. The new license number is 132434. The old license number is 109169. Recommendation approval. I therefore make a motion that ABC board members vote to approve the recommendations made by the chair for the second supplemental alcohol licensing agenda. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. We now move to our cease and desist agenda, Class B licenses. The ABC board will be issuing cease and desist orders to the following licenses for the reasons outlined below. Number 1, Lobby Bar. License number 060734. Licensee did not pay the third-year annual payment. Number 2, the Cupboard. License number 086607. The licensee did not pay the third-year dues. Number 3, Pole Vet USA Inc. License number 109297. The licensee did not pay the third-year due payment. Number 4, 7 Days Market. License number 109916. The licensee did not pay the third-year annual payment. Number 5, The Natural Wine Shop LLC. License number 114571. Licensee did not pay the third-year annual payment. Number 6, Foxtrot. License number 115514. Licensee did not pay the third-year annual payment. Number 7, KW Store. License number 120355. The licensee did not pay the third-year annual payment. And Hellbender Brewing Company, license number 121020. The licensee did not pay the third-year annual payment. I therefore make a motion that ABC Board issues cease and desist orders to these license holders. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. We are now at the board's temporary license and one-day substantial change docket. On this docket, there are 30 applicants. I'm going to review the names of all 30 applicants, and I will make recommendations. And at the end of the list, I will make a motion that ABC board votes to approve the recommendations as put forth by the chair. Number 1, a request from Payam Yazdani, so it's Payam Yazdani for one-day license class F. Social event October 28th. License number is 134250. 50 attendees, 1 security guard. Recommendation approval. Number 2, a request from Dinah Movius, Movius, for one-day license class F. Ballot performance. This is October 8th to October 9th. The license number is 134256. 120 attendees, 2 security guards. Recommendation approval. Number 3, another request from Dinah Movius, Movius, one-day license class F. Ballot performance November 14th. The license number is 134258. 120 attendees, 2 security guards. Number 4, a request from Lucas Umana, Umana, for one-day license class G celebration October 25th. The license number is 134224. 200 to 300 attendees, 6 security guards. Recommendation approval. Number 5, another request from Lucas Umana, a one-day license class G celebration October 24th. The license number is 134285. 200 to 300 attendees, 8 security guards. Recommendation approval. Number 6, a request from Daniel Daly, a one-day license class G pre-opening party. This is October 22nd through October 25th. The license number is 134281. 100 attendees, 2 security guards. Recommendation approval. Number 7, another request from Daniel Daly for pre-opening party. This is October 29th to November 1st. The license number is 134282. 100 attendees, 2 security guards. Recommendation approval. Number 8, a request from Patrick D. Batista, one-day license class G, LGBTQ plus friendly dance. November 1st, the license number is 134302. 200 attendees, 4 security guards. Recommendation approval. Number 9, another request from Patrick D. Batista, one-day license class G, LGBTQ plus friendly dance. This is November 15th. The license number is 134303. 200 attendees, 4 security guards. Recommendation approval. Number 10, a request from Darren Hines, a one-day license class G pre-opening event, October 23rd. The license number is 134303. 324 attendees, 6 security guards. Recommendation approval. Number 11, a request from Rafi Shakaharan, Sraffi a one-day license class G engagement party December 6th. The license number is 134309. 200 attendees, 4 security guards. Recommendation approval. Number 12, request from Lana Elvine, a one-day license class F, live music entertainment. This is November 18th. The license number is 134311. 250 attendees, 5 security guards. Recommendation approval. Number 13, a request from Behe Tess Michael, BERHE TSFAM ICHAEL, one-day license class G, party with DJ, October 25th. The license number is 134318. 55 attendees, 2 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 14, JR's Bar and Grill, one-day substantial change. This is for Muriel Bowser's 17th Street High Heel Dance. Nature of substantial change, extend patio to sidewalk adjacent to licensed premises for Muriel Bowser's High Heel Race, October 28th. The license number 009267. Substantial change license is 25 SC 01218. Recommendation approval. Number 15, Henrik House Museum, HEURICH, one-day substantial change for a festival. Nature of substantial change to use license off premises at 600 Howard Road Southeast. This is October 25th. License number 100673. Substantial change license is 25 SC 01216. Recommendation approval. Number 16, a request from Shoreditch Cooperative LLC, one-day substantial change. This is for Mira Bowser, 17th high heel race. Nature of substantial change, extend patio to adjacent space for Mira Bowser's high heel race. October 28th, the license number is 092298. Substantial change license is 25 SC 01220. Recommendation approval. Number 17, Grand Carta at La Cosicha, COSECHA, one-day substantial change, tasting event at Chilean Pisco. Nature of substantial change to spirits and use license off premises at second floor of La Cosicha, COSECHA. This is on October 24th. The license number is 113353. Substantial change license 25 SC 01221. Recommendation approval. Number 18, Aslan Beer Company, one-day substantial change for reception. Nature of substantial change, seeking to have the DJ on premises. This is October 25th. The license number is 118555. Substantial change number is 25 SC 01222. Recommendation approval. Number 19, Schneider's on Capitol Hill, one-day substantial change festival. Nature of substantial change, use license off premises at 1309 5th Street South Northeast Union Market. November 13th, license number 000252, substantial change license is 25 SC 01222. Recommendation approval. Number 20, Etiti Ethiopian Cuisine, one-day substantial change, homecoming. This is October 24th. The license number is 070728. Substantial change. Its license is 25 SC 01224. The request is to extend the hours to 4 a.m. Recommendation approval. Number 21, Panorama Productions. It's a pub crawl. This is a Santa Bar Crawl, December 13th. The license number is 000011. Substantial change license is 25 PCE 00038. Recommendation approval. Number 22, a request from Michael Guttermuth, GUTERMUTH, one-day license class F, wine festival, October 18th. The license number is 134226. 250 attendees, 6 security guards. Recommendation approval. Number 23, a request for, number 22, that's it's asking for retroactive approval. Number 23, request from Jenna Smith, one-day license class F, campaign dinner Wood and Friends, this was October 15th. The license number is 134243. 50 attendees, 1 security guards. Approval retroactively. Number 24, a request from Gabriel Calderon, 1-day license class G, artist reception. This was October 19th. The license number is 134251, 65 to 80 attendees, 2 security guards, retroactive approval. The recommendations for retroactive approval. Number 25, a request from Lucas Humana, 1-day license class G celebration. This was October 16th. The license number is 134223. 50 attendants, 4 security guards. Recommendation retroactive approval. Number 26, a request from Steve Bilodeff, 1-day license class G, a conference. This was October 21st to October 22nd. The license number is 134219. 250 attendees, 6 security guards. Recommendation retroactive approval. Number 27, request from Steve Bilodeff for a conference. This was October 15th. The license number is 134273. 120 attendees, 6 security guards. Approval for retroactive recommendation, approval retroactively. Number 28, a request from Torrance Swain, 1-day license class G live music concert. This was October the 11th. The license number is 134198. 350 attendees, 15 security guards. Recommendation retroactively approval. Number 29, a request from Lana Elzine, 1-day license class G concert live music performance. This was October 17th. The license number is 134229. 255 security guards. Recommendation retroactive approval. Number 30, a request from Tiffany Hainsworth, 1-day license class G wine festival. This was October 18th. The license number is 134266. 200 attendees, 4 security guards. Recommendation retroactive approval. So I therefore make a motion that the ABC board vote to approve the recommendation that's put forth by the chair for the board's temporary 1-day and substantial change docket. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. We now move to the cancellation agenda. The ABC board will be canceling the following licenses for the reasons outlined below. Play DC Restaurant and Lounge, license number 112274. The licensee requested cancellation. I therefore make a motion the ABC board cancels that license. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. We now move to the board's alcohol administrative docket. On this docket, there are 20 applications. And so without objection, I make a motion that the ABC board move to approve the alcohol license administrative docket. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. We now move to our medical cannabis licensing agenda. On this agenda, there are 4 licensees. I will review, I'm sorry, 5. I'll review the 5. I'll make recommendations, and at the end, I'll ask that ABC board members vote to approve the recommendation that's put forth by the chair. Number 1, review of standard application for a new retail license with delivery, safe use treatment facility and summer garden endorsement. This is for Third Eye Cur, license number 134075, recommendation placard. Number 2, review of standard application for retail license with delivery endorsement to add educational tasting endorsement. This is for Green Theory, license number 126813, recommendation approval. Number 3, review of social equity application for retail license with delivery endorsement to add educational tasting endorsement. This is for High End DC, license number 127840, recommendation approval. Number 4, review of change of hours request for retail license with delivery, educational tasting, and safe use facility treatment endorsement. This is for Smoke Jumpers, license number 128465, recommendation approval. Number 5, review of social equity application for a retail license with delivery endorsement to add educational tasting endorsement. This is for WVC Wellness, license number 127610, recommendation approval. So I therefore make a motion that ABC board members vote to approve the medical cannabis licensing agenda recommendation as put forth by the chair. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones, the second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. And the last agenda for the morning, or for the day, it is the medical cannabis administrative agenda. On this agenda, there are 2 items, and without objection, I make a motion that ABC board members vote to approve the medical cannabis license administrative docket. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. And we are at the end of our agenda for the day. And if there's no further business, then let's move to adjourn for the day. As chairperson of the Alcoholic Beverage and Cannabis Board for the District of Columbia, in accordance with Title III, Chapter 405, Office of Open Government, I move that ABC Board hold a closed meeting on October 29th for the purpose of discussing and hearing reports concerning ongoing. Hold on. Yes. For the purpose of discussing and hearing reports concerning ongoing or planned investigations of alleged criminal or civil misconduct or violations of law or regulations, and seeking legal advice from our legal counsel on the board's investigative agenda, legal agenda, and licensing agenda for October 29th, as published in the DC Register on October 24th. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion. I will now take a roll call vote on the motion before us now that it has been properly seconded. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. As the motion has passed, I hereby give notice that ABC Board will hold this closed meeting pursuant to the Open Meetings Act. Notice will also be posted on the ABC Board Hearing Room Bulletin Board, placed on electronic calendar on the ABCA's website, and published in the DC Register in as timely a manner as practical. We're now adjourned for the day. I would like to thank all members of the public who participated in our hearings today, and all our board members who also participate in our hearings today. We adjourn for the day. Thank you very much. I now request that all board members return to executive session. Thank you. Have a great day.
No.